We've got different products to use when it comes to conditioning and protecting for leather. So if you've got genuine leather that's older than 3 years, that is where applying a conditioner will definitely provide some benefit, right? And this is where I think it's important to talk about leather conditioning. Modern automotive leather has got a polyurethane finish, which still has water vapor permeability and air permeability. The conditioner does absolutely penetrate. It does provide that benefit, but brand new leather has a balance of moisture and oil, and that moisture and oil balance is intact in brand new leather. But as the leather ages, making sure that moisture and oil balance is intact is what the conditioner does. It penetrates and keeps the flexibility, prevents it from shrinkage, and keeps it soft and supple. That is what the leather conditioner does. However, if you've got artificial leather, vegan leather, or simply if your leather is less than 3 years old, as we've said, that oil moisture balance is intact. Applying more is not going to provide more benefit. It is going to penetrate, but it's not going to penetrate as much as it would do on an older leather. And that's where you need protection on a brand new leather or vinyl or vegan leather. You need protection against two main aspects. One is dye transfer. So if you've got an ivory colored or a really light colored leather seat, protection against dye transfer from clothing is very, very important. And also friction and abrasion damage. As you get in and out of the car, inevitably over time you are going to start scuffing away at the top coat. So prevention against dye transfer and friction is what you need in the first 3 years, and that's what Geist Dye and Friction Blocker does. Geist Dye and Friction Blocker does not contain any forever chemicals, but it still provides the same level of protection as any other conventional products, and it's simple and easy to apply. Let me know your thoughts about the conditioner. What have you heard? What do you know? What do you think? What are your opinions and thoughts? Let me know that in the comment section below. But otherwise, it'd be great if you guys subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Catch you guys soon.